This is video 5 of Kannada alphabets. So this is lesson 5. In the textbook it is Akshara Vyasa 5, which is on page 55. The textbook is Savi Kannada grade 1 part 1. So today we will be looking at 6 alphabets. So let us start. This alphabet is A. This one is A. 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 Okay. A. This is A. Then this one is A. This is the longer vowel of the same sound. A. 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 A and A. Then this one is E. 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 So E. This is E. Then this one is A. A. This is also the longer vowel of the sound A. A. So this is A. Then this is Ta. 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 This is Ta. And this alphabet is La. La. There is no alphabet similar to this in Hindi. So let us first understand the difference between, if you remember we did in lesson 4 La. So this La is this La. Okay, so this you just say it as La. La. Just that your lip touches the bottom of the upper teeth. So La. You just say it as La. But when you are pronouncing this alphabet, you have to slightly twist your tongue and pronounce it as Ra. 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 Okay, so the difference is this is La, La, and this is Ra. La, Ra. La, Ra. This is Ra. La and Ra. So please understand the difference between the pronunciation. This is just normal La. L-A. How will you pronounce L-A? You just say it as La. But this one you have to slightly twist your tongue and pronounce it as Ra. Ra. La. Ra. La. Ra. Okay. So now we will see how to write these alphabets. So if you remember when we wrote V, when you practiced how to write V, you started off like this and then you put a talekattu. This was V. But here you don't have to put the talekattu. The rest remains the same. You just write like this. So following the arrows if you write. So you start and then just do this. This is A. So you start like this and just do this. This is A. 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 Okay. Now next one is similar. This is A. It looks very similar to A except for a small dent here. So you start same as writing A and then just do this. So you write the same as writing A. So write it as writing A and then do this. So you start like this and then do this. A small dent like. So that is A. So you will write like this. Okay. So you will write like this. A. A. This is the longer vowel. A. 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 Next, this is E. So you start like this. Okay. So you start like this and once again start like this and do this. So this is E. 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 So A. A. E. We have seen A. A. E. I'll just write it once again. So this is A. We'll trace along the arrows. So this is A. This is A. Then this will be write A and small dent here. This is A. Then this is E. E. So we have seen A and E. Now let's look at A. So remember we did A in our very first lesson. So we wrote A like this. So when you are writing A, you have to follow the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 was going inside when you are writing A. Here 4 will go outside and then you will put a line. So you will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if you trace along with the arrow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is A. This is A. Again, this is the longer vowel of the sound A. A. So this will be A. Okay, so A, A. Then this is Ta. See, this is similar to writing the digit 3, number, digit, and putting a talekattu. So it's like you write like this and put the talekattu. You can also put a curve like this and also write. Both of these are correct ways of writing. If you see here, there's a small curve here. But you could also write it just like number 3 and put the talekattu. Or you can also do this and put the talekattu. So these are the two ways of writing ta. So this is ta. Let us trace it along with the arrows. You start and then put the talekattu. So this is ta. Ta. And then the next alphabet, this is la. So you start like this, down, twist and come back and write the talakattu. So it's like writing the digit 8. Okay, it's similar to writing. It's not exactly, but similar to writing the digit 8. So like this. In 8, we start like this and we join here. But for la, don't join. You just do this and put the talakattu. Let's do it with tracing the arrows here. So you would put it like this. Start, then come down. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is la. La. Again, the difference is la and la. And we don't have an equivalent of this in Hindi. So this is la. La. Remember, la is this. Only la. Only la is this, but this is la. La. Okay, now let us look at the words with these alphabets. So this is Eraka. Eraka. Eraka is a foundry. Here what will happen is the metal will be melted into liquid form and it will be poured in molds to get that particular shape. So it is called as casting of iron, which is done in a foundry. So Eraka is a foundry where you cast metals to the required shape using molds. Then Eta. This is Eta. This is the longer A. Eta. Eta is a pulley. If you remember, if you have seen a well, to draw water out of the well, there will be a small mechanism here, where you will have a rope outside and there will be a rope tied to a bucket inside. So you will have to pull the rope. So the bucket will either go in or come out of the well. So this is the pulley. This is the mechanism. This is only the eta. This is the pulley which is used to dip the bucket down into the water, into the well and get the water up. It's used for lifting water from the well. That is called as eta. Now ina, the next word. This is ina. Ina means sun. And ala. If you see the picture, it's a huge tree. It's a banyan tree. Ala means banyan tree. Alada mara is actual word of banyan tree. So only ala means banyan. Then tabala. This when you look at the picture only, you know it's a musical instrument. So this is tabala. Tabala. Then again, the picture itself tells you nala is tap. Nala. Nala is tap. Okay, now let's see for more words. So here again, Eraka, which we have already seen. Eraka is a foundry where you cast a metal to a given mold or a given shape. Eda bala. Eda is left, bala is right. So the direction left and right, that is Eda bala. Eta. Eta means the pulley which is used to draw water out of the well. Aidala. Sorry. Yeah. Ekadala. Sorry, I pronounced it wrong. It is Ekadala. Ekadala is a single petal, not 5 petals. I made a mistake here. It is one petal. Ekadala is one petal. Okay? Ekadala, one petal. Ina is sun. Ina, sun. Then Ala is depth, how deep it is. Okay? Then Ata is he. Ala, banyan. Agasa, sky. Agasa, sky. Tabala. Then Tavaka, eagerness. Tavaka, eager. Then Tanaya, sun. Nala, tap. Sala, plow. Kalasa is a metal pot. It's a pot. Usually when you do puja, you will use that pot. That is Kalasa. Then Balapa is a chalk. Okay. So these are all the words you can form using the alphabets from this lesson as well as all the previous lessons. So here the instruction says ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. You just need to write the given words in the given lines. Just repeat the words, whatever is there, keep repeating them. This is for writing practice. These are the words you have to keep repeating for writing practice. Now again this is match the following. ಆ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು, ಆ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂದುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿತ್ರದ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So if you see, a column has all the words, a column has the pictures. You have to match the picture with the word and write the word next to the picture. So this is eraka. This picture is eta. This is a picture of the puli, so eta. This is a picture of sun, ina. Then the tree is ala. Tabala is the musical instrument. And nala is the tap. Now you just have to read these words and repeat, write them. So you have to read it as eda and then write eda. Ina and write ina. Tala, ta and la. Okay, now here the words, there's blanks given and there are alphabets and options. You have to pick the right option and fill in the blank and write the complete word here. So this is ata. So ata means to play. Then tala means the base, the bottom of any object. Then eta is the pulley from which you can draw water out of the well. Dala can be a petal, a flower petal. Ina is the sun. Then next one is, this is just a drawing activity. You have to join the dots, complete the picture and color it. So this is lesson 5. So now let us do a quick recap, because in the beginning of the lesson I did not do a recap of the alphabets we had seen so far. So all the alphabets from 1 to 5 we will see. So the first lesson we did Ra, Ga, Sa, Da and A. Okay, this was the first lesson. Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A. Then our second, so this is lesson 1. Now lesson 2 we saw Ja, Va, Na, Ba and Na. So this was Ja, Va, Ma, Ba, Na. Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A, Ja, Va, Ma, Ba, Na. So lesson 1, lesson 2. Now in lesson 3 we had 6 alphabets. So lesson 3 was Pa, Ya, U, Da, Ta, y, u, d, t, and then we did ch. P, y, u, d, t, ch. Okay, p, y, u, d, t, ch. Then in lesson 4, we did l, then we did e, u, and ka. Sorry. Okay, so l, e, u, ka. P, y, u, d, t, ch. Then l, e, u, ka. And now in today's lesson, that is lesson 5, again we did 6 alphabets. We did A, E, A, E, A, then we did the, and we did R, R, okay? E, A, the, R. Okay, there's nothing equivalent to this in Hindi. So E, A, the, R. E, A, the, R. So we have completed 26 alphabets till lesson 5. So there are 5 more lessons with which we'll complete the rest of the alphabets.